Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev B. So we're just gonna jump straight into the video, and I will be starting with my makeup. So I'm using this facial spray to add a little bit of moisture to my face. Then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filler to prime before adding my foundation. So I'm just going to rub that into my skin, and the foundation that I'll be using today is from Too Faced, and it's the Born This Way in the shade Chai. And I'm just going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender and apply it until it is smooth and even out.
Up on a girl don't care, beat false hair, natural hair, everything real round there.
Now I will be using the multi-sculpting concealer from Too Faced as well, and this is Butterscotch. Now this concealer is really thick, so you don't have to use a lot like I am using right now. But I'm just gonna apply that under my eye, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and also my chin. And I'm just going to put a little here just for sculpting and defining my jaw a little bit more. And I'm going to also use the Damp Beauty blender and press that into my skin to try to blend it out as much as possible. Now to contour, I'll be using Truffle from Fenty Beauty, and this is the matchstick. And I'm not that very good at contouring and all of that, so I'm just trying a little thing. And I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead as well, and re-damp or re-wet or whatever you want to call it my beauty blender. And I'm just going to also blend that out so everything blends smoothly. Now I'm going to use this medium setting powder, and I'm going to put it under my eye. Usually I'd use the Buttercup setting powder, but I wanted to give a little neutral look. I didn't want to contour too much or highlight too much, so I'm using the medium powder to set my concealer in place. And now I'm just using this pencil from e.l.f. I don't usually use this pencil, or rather I don't use it that often, but it was the only one I had right now before I restock on my eyebrow pencil. So yeah, that's what we'll be using for today, and it's super affordable. I think it's like $1 or $2 for this pencil, so you could definitely check it out. I bought it at my local Walmart. Why is my tongue all tied up? And then I'm going to use the same concealer from Too Faced to sculpt my eyebrows and clean up the area a little bit. And yeah, then I'm going to blend it out, and that is basically it for my eyebrows. So for this look, I'm going very neutral. I won't be using any eyeshadow. I just wanted to keep the look very simple, soft, like I was wearing makeup but not too much. So yeah, that's basically what we'll be doing. So I'm just taking a blending brush to blend that out. And yeah, that's basically it for my eyes. And I'm going to dust off the excess powder that was on my face. And that's basically it for my face powder wise. So dust off a loose powder, and then I'm going to apply some lashes. Now this lash is from Kiss. I think it's number 11. I'm not even sure. I also got this at Walmart. So if you need affordable stuff or eyelashes or whatever, go to Walmart, sis. Yeah, save your coins. So I'll be using mascara for my bottom lashes, and yeah, then I'll be using Too Faced to to set my face. And then I'm going to use the facial spray to also add back moisture into my face. And then I will be using this MAC highlight, and it's not like too bright or anything. It's very subtle and it still gets the job done. I absolutely love this highlight, so I'll be putting that. And then I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife in my tear ducts, just to add a little bit of extraness to this very simple look. And that is basically it. That I'm going to add a little bit of gloss, and yes, that's it for this look. So this is a butter gloss from NYX, and our makeup look is complete. Okay guys, now it's time to style this hair. Now with this hair, I did a previous video about 3 weeks ago, and I've had this hair for about a month now, and it is just fantastic. It's still doing well. I absolutely love it. I washed it a couple of times already and it's still perfect. So it is a Peruvian body wave, and I got the inches 24, 22, 20 and a 20-inch frontal. And yeah, I did a video on this already, so I'm just showing you guys like basically like an update to how the hair is doing. And as you can see, it's still bomb. I love how long it is because I usually don't go for super long hair, but I absolutely love it. It curls wonderfully. It's still shiny, still bouncy, still lightweight. Like, this is like one of my top fave hair that I have in my collection of wigs. So yeah, so all the details you'll need to have for this wig, the direct link to the hair will be in my description box down below for you guys. And this is all that I have for you guys today. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, go on ahead and subscribe. I have a bunch of videos you guys can check out. Check out my previous post before this one, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.